CRD type, replacement of primary and secondary filter. Release the clamp on the intake side and remove the cover. Slide the filter box and remove it. Release the filter holder. Be careful with the filter holder direction after filter replacement. Remove the primary filter, wire nut, and secondary filter in order. These filters can be reused after washing. In replacing them, install in the order secondary filter, wire nut, and primary filter. When replacing primary and secondary filter, insert one by one with blue stump facing downstream. When attaching the cover after replacing the filter, make sure to insert the guide into the guide hole. Improper attachment may cause oil leakage. Replacement of end filter. Releasing the clamp on the outlet side and removing side cover exposes the end filter. Pull out the end filter and replace it with the new one. When installing the filter, install it with the connector section in downward.